Tired of the same old frittata recipes? Here's a fresh alternative recipe to try next. First, grab a few medium red bell peppers. Slice them in half and scoop out the seeds. We're turning these into little boats that are about to set sail into flavor. Place your pepper halves right into the air fryer basket. No preheating, no fuss. They will act like little cups, just waiting to be filled. Next, add 2 teaspoons of crumbled feta cheese into each pepper half. This is your protein foundation. Salty, tangy, and ready to hold it all together. Now, crack 1 egg into each pepper. If the egg white spills over a bit, don't worry. It's not a crime, it's character. Sprinkle on a little ground black pepper. No salt this time. The feta's got us covered. Then take a few fresh mint leaves, chop them finely, and add a pinch to each pepper. Sounds fancy, but trust me, it brightens the whole dish. Now gently pierce the yolk with a fork and give it a little swirl. We're not scrambling, just blending it in slightly so it cooks evenly. Next, grab a few cherry tomatoes and dice them up. No fresh ones? Canned tomatoes work just fine. What would you add to your stuffed peppers? Spinach? Hot sauce? A different cheese combo? Let us know in the comments. We're always up for a remix. That's it for prep. Now let's cook. Carefully move your basket into air fryer. Set your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. About 2 minutes before the timer ends, open up your air fryer. The egg should be almost fully set. Now for the final touch, a little sprinkle of shredded mozzarella. Then bump the temp to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and finish for 2 more minutes. Pull them out and take a look at these little beauties. Golden edges, melty cheese, and just a hint of fresh mint in every bite. They look like brunch, taste like lunch, and cook like a weeknight dinner. High in protein, low on mess, and a total win if you're trying to eat well without doing the whole meal prep life thing. If your stomach's happy, give this video a like. Subscribe for more easy recipes, and we'll see you in the next one.